check it out. Blue Box SD45 with Ernst Gears and super powerful 24-volt magnet. Here it comes. Okay, there it is. Got the gears worked out. Got the squeak out. All we got left now is just the sound of the fact that there's a bunch of gears in there. Now, I do remember one thing about this. When you put the gears in there, you need to make provision for the motor to turn the other direction. They recommended reversing the trucks. All I did for this, I just put the motor, flipped it over. I just turned it over. Since I've got where I connect the power to it, all I have to do is turn it over and it'll be reversed automatically so that it does travel in the correct direction. Okay. Controller set to the right. Do we move right? Yes, we do. It is slow. That is 20% power. Okay, I'm going to let you see what it's like at 100%. It looks a lot faster than it is. Actually, we should race it, shouldn't we? Let's race it with somebody who is very comfortable. Okay, I know what we're going to do. We're going to race it against this SD24 that is brass, this Tenshoto, that I put a 24-volt motor in. Okay, are we ready? Let's back up. Start in line. Okay, we're going to immediately go to 100% power. Okay, that wasn't even close. Not only that, yeah, that wasn't even a little bit close. Let's race them against somebody else. How about an Atlas RSD12? You know what? Let's put a shell on too, see if we can hear a difference in sound. Oh, I gotta face him. Let's get his front end facing to the right. And then we'll race them again. Now I'll put the shell on here. CNW, non-dynamic brake. Yeah, I made that 30 years ago. Alright, on your marks, get set, hit it. Nope, not even close. Nope. Yeah. Really slow. Now later, I don't have couplers on, or we try pulling something. It's not going to have thing. It's going to reach wheel slip, but anything that it could get started, it could pull. And it will probably be good for jobs that take some sort of delicate handling. I think it turned out pretty good. And well, that's it. I think we're good to go. Calling it, and that's it was great. The Ernst Gears are not bad. Would I do some more? Sure, if I ran across them at a trade show, I'd probably do some more. They're not going to be multiple units unless they both got it in them. But kind of cool, different, kind of fun. And it's got that new motor in it. It's really great. It's unbelievable. It's even better than the other 24 volts I had from before. Well, I don't know. We'll see what happens next. Probably do a torque, probably do a tractive effort test on it maybe tomorrow.